Hi guys and welcome to another video by School of RPA, and today we'll be discussing about UiPath developer training offered by School of RPA. In this video, we'll cover introduction to UiPath, scope of RPA in India, UiPath developer salary in India, UiPath developer job profile, UiPath developer course content, duration and fee structure of this course, and how to enroll. Robotic process automation is a software platform that can be programmed to execute business tasks via software robots or digital workers that can execute and initiate system-based tasks like a human being. UiPath is an RPA tool which allows organizations to deploy virtual workforce powered by software robots. This helps the enterprise to automate business operations in an agile and cost-effective manner. The tool is based on .NET programming language and offers Visual Designer with drag and drop functionalities. UiPath requires basic understanding of programming knowledge, but freshers can also easily learn it as well. Scope of RPA in India is infinite and huge. In fact, it is anticipated that the RPA will be the future of IT automation. If someone wants to build his or her career in RPA, this particular field will definitely grow their career views. And guys, UiPath is the leading number one adopted RPA tool in the entire market. It is a market leader in automation, RPA automation tool, right? So there's no doubt of jobs of UiPath in India or abroad. And UiPath is the most used tool by n number of companies. Now, whether it's a big multinational company like Capgemini or Accenture or Cognizant, or maybe a smaller companies or mid-level size companies, all of these are adopting the UiPath tool. So if you're doing a course in UiPath tool, it's very easy to get a job. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of RP developer in India is about 9.65 lakh rupees, and this is applicable to somebody who has about 3.5 years of experience. The maximum salary that we have come across is about 15 lakh rupees, and the minimum salary that a fresher with no prior experience who has learned UiPath will get is around 5 lakh rupees. And this difference in salary can be due to several factors like an experience of an RP developer, the location of where the developer is placed, and the company that the developer is working with. Now let's look at what UiPath developers do. There are certain responsibilities that UiPath developer has to perform. These include designing, developing, and implementing software-based robots in such a way that they work together with human workers to make business process more efficient. An RP developer is required to interact with business people from different teams and departments and understand the challenges they are facing in terms of processes. The objective is to streamline and automate the process by automating those challenging tasks. RP developer also works directly with business users to create effective automation solutions for them. The interaction between the two is to develop understanding of the repetitive process that the business user wants RP developers to automate. For this, the developer may ask the user to provide service level agreements as well. The role of a UiPath developer is all about finding answers for questions that surround automation of a process or task. They need to understand the process in question, check whether the automation is the right solution or whether the RPA is the right solution, and then design and develop the automated system. Alright guys, this course content of UiPath, I will leave it on the screen for you to read it out. Now let's look at few more things. This course teaches you the basic and advanced concept of UiPath software development. This course teaches you on how to use UiPath automation tool to automate and manage business processes and create a virtual workforce agents for business. This course covers both basic and advanced concepts. Now this course is obviously aimed at freshers and experienced .NET, Java or any other software developer. So guys, if you want to do UiPath training, I'm not saying you should have software development experience, but you should at least have a basic understanding of a software development. This course is designed in such a way that after completion of course, you will be able to get a job in the RP field as a UiPath developer. And if you are a fresher, the starting salary will be 5 lakh per annum. And like I said, however, if you do this course, you should have some background in software development. Coming to course duration and fee structure, this is a 40-hour in-depth course that teaches you everything you need to know about UiPath software development. This is a practical course which a student can complete in 1 month, and this includes resume and interview preparation. The fee for this course is 18,000 rupees for Indian students and $300 for international students. Obviously, guys, we have online instructor-led training where a live instructor teaches you UiPath concepts. We have placement assistance, and we help you with the resume and interview preparation as well, and we have flexible timings. So if you are a working professional and you want to do this course on weekends, we can do that on weekends. If you want to enroll for our courses, you need to call on the number 900-480-9189, and you can talk to us. We can schedule a demo lecture for you. You can talk to the instructor, get your doubts clarified, and then you can enroll for the course. So I have courses on other RPA tools like Blue Prism, WinAutomation, and WorkFusion. We also have a RPA business analyst training if you want to go into the field of RPA but don't want to go into software development.